Hi everyone, today me and my brother and dad are going to make some birds. Let's start. First, draw a line like this. Next, draw another one. Now, here, draw an oval. And on this side, draw a line like that. Now, draw a line like this. Great job, brother. Now, draw another one. There's another one on the edge, a triangle. And on the other one, draw one like that. Now V here. Now draw a dot and a dot here and a dot. Next, draw a line like this. Now, on that, draw lines like this. Now, on the other one, do the same thing. Can you do it, brother? Now draw another one on the other one. Okay. Now on this, draw two lines. And more lines. It's time to color now. There are three birds. Do you know who they are? This is my brother. This is my dad. This is me. That's in the order. My brother, my dad, me. It's time to color now. We'll color our own coloring. You can copy us or use your imaginations. Now, I'm going to use orange. Or use it. I bet it's this. Yeah, it is. That's for its beak. Now, I'm going to use the same color. Now here, do the same thing. Now, again, I'll use my orange. Now it's time to color the branch which they are in. My brother's doing really good. You can make it colorful like my brother too. Okay, I'm done with the log. We are starting to draw. Oh. Oops.
करके
All right, I'm done. I'll wait for my brother. You want to tell a story, brother? Yeah, tell it. After I say it, I think after I say it, he'll say it. Once upon a time, there were 3 birds on a branch. The mommy bird laid an egg in her nest. She laid 15 eggs. Isn't that a lot? That she took time hatching them, but one of them was so big. So, one of them could be a dragon's, another animal that is a bird. And that fell down to the nest. They called that bird the ugly duckling. And so on, they called them ugly duckling. He got sad. So he found another lake or river, and he went in that, and in a few years, when fall was over, he growed up and he realized what he was. He was a goose. The end. Bye! Do you want to tell a story? Yeah, he does. Can you tell it then? Once a little duck was coming, and they were saying, "Wow, you are nice today." And they said, "When you are big, you are not good." The ugly duckling said, but the ugly duckling was not sad. And the ugly duckling had it, but he did nothing. Did nothing when they come. It was too mild and it was too sunny when it was. Like it's sunning in the picture. Sunny when the picture. But we have an envelope. But that is not an envelope. That is sun. And they locked them out. When they locked them, they just not colored when they locked them. And they was colored glass, and they left. Are you done telling the story? No? Okay, keep going. And they was making us near this sun, but it's broke and broke. And they make another one, and they did blow. It was sunny again, and they cannot look. They was doing orange and green to paint the sun, and it was not good. It was pretty good. And he did good. Bye. Your story was longer than mine. Bye.